Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. On this video here, I'm going to show you how to earn passive income with your crypto, okay? There are a lot of people that have their crypto and they are holding it because they believe on the project or anything like that and they want to stay with it long term. But a lot of people don't put that money into working and making passive income for you, okay? And this way is staking your crypto, okay? And there are a lot of ways to stake your crypto, and here I'm going to show you how to do that, okay? So the first one is by staking, but you get your crypto locked, okay? So which means that you cannot access your crypto and you don't get to spend it or anything. And if you want to, you need to unlock it, and when you unlock it you get it back, but you don't get again to earn an interest on that crypto that you are holding because you are having it now to spend it, okay? There is this type of way. And the other way is like Ada is doing. Cardano have the greatest and the best way of staking. Why? Because you stake your ADA using your wallet and you still keep your ADA on your wallet like if you haven't even staked it, okay? And you can spend it and use it, of course, but you need to know that the amount that you spent or you've used, it means that it will not get an interest on it because you don't have it on your wallet anymore. And there is another way is, for example, PancakeSwap that uses a platform that you get to stake your crypto. You either get interest with that crypto or they give you multiple cryptocurrencies that you get for staking that crypto. So now that's out of the way, get to this website. So this stakingrewards.com, it shows us the cryptos that you can stake and as well all the other info that you need to know, like for example the price and the reward that you can get. And this reward here, it means yearly. So as you can see here, this is the estimate yearly rewards of staking this crypto. So you get to click each one of these if you want to filter it or sort by the total stacked or the rewards, okay? And I think the one with the most rewards is Axie Infinity as well as these others, and you will find some others that are known, like there is Dodo here and there is another one which is PancakeSwap. If we clicked on rewards here, this is the highest that is paying, and here is PancakeSwap with 56%, okay, yearly that you will get. So for staking your PancakeSwap you'll get 50% of the interest. So you get to see what cryptocurrency that you want to use or the cryptocurrency that you own. So there is two ways. If you are holding some type of crypto and you believe in it, you can stake it, okay, and you are still holding it, so you're not losing anything. If anything, you are earning interest on that amount that you're holding. So if anything, you are accumulating more of that crypto. The other way is for people that want a passive income and they don't mind any crypto that they have. You can check what crypto here that you see has a long term and as well as a great system and ideas they have. You get to do your own research and see the highest one here, the one that will make you feel safe investing in, and stake it, okay? So you can search for the coin that you want or just go into coins in here. For example, let's see an example with a cryptocurrency in here. Let's click on it and you get to see all the other infos that you want to check before staking that crypto. For example, here you can see the earnings. If you put in $1,000 on PancakeSwap and you've used it for a term of 1 year, and this is the current price of one PancakeSwap. It's the current one. If you want to use other options like very bullish, if it's 100% plus the current price, or it even moves, or the opposite way. Let's just do current one. And there is compound. This one here, some staking platforms, they give you the opportunities to stake again, or some others they withdraw it or send you, and it's separate way the interest that you earn. But for others, you can set it to be automatically, and you get the interest that you earn to be staked again. So, and it makes a huge difference. So if we see here, this is the estimation of a yearly earning. If we put in $1,000 now, after 1 year we'll get $560. Okay, so the estimation of 1 year, you'll get 28 cakes. Okay, and it will be costing, and this is the estimation price of 28 cakes right now is $560. But let's imagine that it's a double, the price is double, because who knows, it might moon anytime and it will be double the price or something like that, so you'll be getting more of that. But let's just make it as the current price, and let's check now. Let's do compounding, and as you can see, this is the earning have changed, and almost half the price of what we've got without compounding. Okay, so as you can see, the interest rates gets higher and the estimation rate gets higher as well. So this is what I'm saying is, if you don't find the crypto that you want to stake has this option of auto compounding, you always have the option to stake the interest that you earn from that crypto. Okay, and you can see other informations in here. And for how to stake, you can just Google or type on YouTube how to stake each coin that you want to do. Okay, because it differentiates between a coin and another. Okay, there are a lot of ways to stake, and each coin has their own way of staking. So just type in on YouTube how to stake pancake swap, for example. Let's say that we want to stake this coin, and you'll see a lot of videos and how to stake it. All right, it's super easy and simple, and you get to earn interest rates way higher than a bank will ever give you if you want to invest on this. But if you want to just keep holding your coins, you better stake your coins than just leaving them there without earning you anything. All right, so this is the video. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this, and thank you for watching.